Hi there, fools. I'm back to highlight a few stocks that soared over the past 5 trading days. Why? Because after a stock pops over a short period of time, one of two things usually happens: the stock continues to soar higher as momentum traders look to pile on, or the stock pulls back sharply as value-oriented investors lock in profits. Yes. Toy Story leading off our list. Hi there, fools. I'm back to highlight a few stocks that soared over the past 5 trading days. Why? Because after a stock pops over a short period of time, one of two things usually happens: BS. So, it might make sense to look at a few plays that are benefiting especially well. Let's get to it. Toy Story leading off our list is Spin Master, TSX, Toy, whose shares climbed nearly 13% last week. The toy and entertainment company remains off 23% over the past 6 months versus a loss of 17% for the S. 2018 wasn't kind to the stock, but there's good reason to believe 2019 will provide a prolonged turnaround. Despite slowing growth, Spin Master's year-to-date adjusted income is still up 6.7%, while revenue has improved 9.6%. More importantly, free cash flow remains robust, with the company having generated $150 million of it in the most recent quarter. Looking forward, we are excited about our upcoming innovative product line integrated with entertainment content, said Chairman and co-CEO Ronan Harary. Currently, the stock sports a very reasonable forward P/E of 17. Bankable turnaround. Next up, we have Laurentian Bank, TSX, LB, which soared 12% last week. Shares of the Montreal-based bank are now down just 3% over the past 6 months versus a loss of 7% for the S. Triggering the rally was an upbeat Q4 report. Despite an 18% decrease in adjusted income, return on equity increased 60 basis points to 9%. The company's book value per share and quarterly dividend also improved slightly. We look forward to profitable growth and reaping the benefits of investments and business opportunities, said President and CEO François Desjardins. In short, we are investing in the right places to support future growth and expect to maintain a strong balance sheet into 2019. At a paltry forward P/E of 8.6, Laurentian looks like a good bet to keep turning around. Auto trader rounding out our list is Magna International, TSX, MG, NYSE, MGA, whose shares popped nearly 10% last week. The auto parts giant is now off 15% over the past 6 months versus a loss of 17% for the S. Optimism over the economy fueled last week's gain, as it did for fellow auto parts specialist Linamar, up 8% over the past 5 days. That said, Magna also has some business momentum on its side. In the most recent quarter, Magna posted record Q3 sales and earnings, while returning $629 million to shareholders through buybacks and dividends. We remain confident in our cash flow expectations, despite somewhat softer global vehicle production, said CFO Vince Galifi. Magna remains a relatively risky proposition, but at a single-digit P/E, the upside might be worth it. The bottom line: there you have it, fools, 3 red-hot stocks worth checking out. As always, they aren't formal recommendations. Just view them as a starting point for further research. Momentum stocks are particularly volatile, so extra due diligence is necessary. Fool on. Have you heard about Amazon's secretive Project Vesta? Few people have, yet some of the greatest minds in the world believe this innovative technology could change the world. Amazon doesn't want anyone to know about this top-secret project, but there's something even Amazon doesn't know. One grassroots Canadian company has already begun introducing this technology to the market, which is why legendary Canadian investor Ian Butler thinks they have a leg up on Amazon in this once-in-a-generation tech race. But you'll need to hurry if you want to pick up this TSX stock before its name is on everyone's lips. To learn more about this exciting technology and dark horse TSX stock before it's too late, click here now. Full contributor Brian Pacampara owns no position in any of the companies mentioned. The Motley Fool owns shares of Spin Master. Magna and Spin Master are recommendations of Stock Advisor Canada.